Hi, this is Tony. Today I'm going to show you how to cook curry shrimp with okra. These are all the ingredients. Uh, First, we're going to fry the onion, and once it's a little bit fragrant, we're going to add in the 2 cans of the curry paste. So we add in a little bit of the kaffir lime if you have it. If not, it's okay. All right. Then once it's fried, we're gonna add in the okra, and we fry it a little bit. We add in a cup of water. So we're gonna let it simmer. We add in a little bit of sugar and MSG. So we cover up the okra and let it stew for a few minutes. So once it's done, we're gonna add in the shrimp, and then we're gonna add in the tomato and fry a little bit. And we're gonna cover up and let it simmer again for a few minutes. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe. See you next time. Bye.